This video tutorial explains how to exit the VPS and allow the robot to still trade. You're on a VPS that's located in Germany, okay? If you close MetaTrader 4 on the VPS, then no trades can execute. So if you hit this X button, okay, then the MetaTrader 4 platform is closed and no trades can execute. This must not happen, okay? So you just single click on the FPS icon for MetaTrader 4 to open. If you double click on the icon, and you double click it like that, then two versions of MetaTrader 4 open, and then the robot opens double trades, which is incorrect. So please make sure that when you open MetaTrader 4 on the VPS, you only click the icon once so that one window opens. All right. Now to exit the VPS, you don't close MetaTrader 4. On a Mac, you just click on the X button, and on a Windows machine at the top of your Windows, on the top of your screen, there's a little blue bar with a I think it's an X and a minus sign and a minimize sign. You just click on the X on the blue bar on the top of your window. That is how you exit the VPS correctly without closing MetaTrader 4. Now, on the odd occasion, we update the either MetaTrader 4 or we update the patches and we do software updates on the VPS. This happens usually once a month at the end of the month. On the very odd occasion, sometimes it's technology and we need to reboot the server, which we will announce to you on the Telegram groups that the server has been rebooted. If, for example, we have rebooted the VPS, your MetaTrader 4 platform is automatically closed, and you would need to then reopen. You'd need to log into your VPS, and then you'd need to single click on the FPS icon on your taskbar. Some users have got the taskbar on the left. Most users have got your taskbar at the bottom of the screen. All right. So if you do open your VPS and there is no MetaTrader 4 over here, you know that that MetaTrader 4 is closed, and you need to single click MetaTrader 4 on the taskbar to open it. Then you'll hear the ping, and you'll now know that MetaTrader 4 is open and trades are now executing. All right. So it's very important that you exit the VPS correctly, and also you need to check, I would say, on a daily basis or every second day. And definitely on a Sunday, you need to log into your VPS and make sure that MetaTrader 4 is open and ready for trading for the following week. So I hope that you found this video interesting and useful. And if you didn't understand it, please rewind and watch the video again. Please make sure that your MetaTrader 4 is open all the time so that trades can execute. And then I'll see you on my next video.